Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Cancer Water Sign. So this is January mid-month reading and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see your messages and what's coming. Cancer. What are the messages for Cancer Water Sign? Communication. Queen of Swords. I think you are in this energy. You cut someone off from your life because there is no equal give and take. You stand by your power. So if they want to come back in your life, they have to offer what you want, what you deserve, because everyone deserve best. Okay, you are in this energy. You are very honest person. You are very straightforwarded in nature. So let's see your reading. Cancer, in recent past is Page of Swords, Ace of Swords and Two of Cups. I think everything is going well in recent past. Everything was fine. Maybe some communication. You both have strong emotions between both of you. Two of Cups is there. Maybe you both are soulmates also. Because here see, Two of Cups. There is equal love between both of you guys. And some communication, truth coming out. Maybe your person spying on you on social media. Some message, some communication. I think in past was fine, but what's going right now, maybe something happened between both of you, some truth coming out, some separation. For some there is separation because Four of Pentacles with the Five of Cups. Maybe you are holding back because there is, maybe your person cheated on you, lied to you, maybe they played games with you, but you trust them, but maybe they cheated on you, maybe they lied to you. Definitely something happened between both of you. That's why you're holding back. Four of Pentacles with Five of Cups. Yeah, you're holding back and you are feeling sad for the separation and you are moving on. You decided to moving on also because the Chariot. It's your card. Cancer. It's your reading. Yeah, you are moving on. You are concentrating on your career. You are concentrating on your goals and you are getting success. See? Empress with Six of Wands. You are getting success in your life. You are getting recognition for your hard work and everyone prizes you and everyone admires you because you are like this. You are getting success, you are getting recognition and you stand by your power. Wow. Yeah, you are moving on. Even though it is causing some tower moment for you, it doesn't matter for you. You have to move on and you decided to move on and you overcome that energy and you become like this and you are getting recognition for your work, for your hard work. So the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Cancer, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Yeah, so I think there is no contact between you and your person right now for some. Yeah, under the deck, Five of Pentacles, definitely there is separation. I think your person may be feeling sad for the separation. They are suffering in silence, Cancer. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going on. Let's see, first we will see your person current feelings. Death. Eight of Wands. Two of Cups 2 times. I think you both. Under the deck, Nine of Wands, they are thinking about you a lot. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Scorpio. Eight of Wands, lot of communication. They want to communicate with you. And Two of Cups, definitely they are feeling strong soulmate connection with you. I think you also love your person, but you decided to move on. Because there is no equal give and take. Even though there is love between both of you. Yes, there is love. You both have so much love for each other. But there is no equal effort in this connection, what I am getting here. For some, the separation had happened between due to the third person also. It could be their sister, mother, whatever. It could be their friends also. The separation had happened, but They want to communicate with you, they want to express their feelings, because Eight of Wands and the Death card. Maybe the your person undergoing some transformation. Yeah, maybe they're thinking that you are moving on, they know about that you are moving on, that's why they want to communicate with you, because they have strong bond with you. You both could be soulmates also, because two of cups two times came in this reading. So let's see the near future actions towards you, Cancer. Hermit, Six of Cups, Leo. The person involved in this connection could be Leo. Under the deck, Ace of Cups. They have so much love for you, they want reconciliation. Definitely your person may be right now undergoing spiritual awakening, because the Hermit is here. They are undergoing some transformation, spiritual awakening. Six of Cups. Yeah, you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other, and the strength, they are getting all their strength to come towards you. The person involved in this connection could be Leo. Yeah, they're coming back with they're coming back to express their feelings. They want reconciliation with you. Want one more card? Yeah, they want rebirth in this connection. They are feeling like this without you. They want rebirth. They want reconciliation. If you are in separation, if you are not in separation, definitely they want to marry you. They want to take this relationship to next level. Cancer. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on, and outcome. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Lot of water energy, especially Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Leo, or Virgo. Two times Chariot, Temperance, and Seven of Wands. They won't give up on you. They won't. Yeah, they really like you. They have so much love for you. They will wait for you until you give second chance to them, what I'm getting here. Because the Chariot, yeah, Temperance. Maybe they are coming very slow in energy, but they're coming back. Yeah, because the Chariot is slow moving energy. Temperance is also waiting for the right time, waiting patiently for the right time. They want to restore the balance in this connection. Yeah, they're coming back. But you decided to move on. Yeah. Even though you have strong emotions for your person, and Nine of Cups, your wishes are going to be granted. So, Six of Swords with King of Cups. Yeah, they're coming back to fix the things between both of you. And you also have strong emotions. You also have love for them. But for some, you decided to move on. For some, if you let them in, there will be reconciliation between both of you. Yeah, they're coming back. For some, there will be reconciliation. For some, it depends. So, let's see your overall energy. Cancer. The Star. Nine of Cups again. Two of Wands. Hermit. Yeah, commitment coming in your way. Definitely they want to commit to you. They want to marry you. Marriage proposals are coming. And Two of Wands, you are also thinking about your person a lot. And this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries and states. And the Star with the person involved in this connection could be Aquarius also. Nine of Cups. If you're wishing for reconciliation with your person, definitely it is coming. Your wishes are going to be granted. And your person seeing you as a star. But they won't give up on you. Let's see your person overall energy. Queen of Wands, the World, Ten of Pentacles, and Queen of Swords. Yeah, they want to express their feelings honestly with you. And Ten of Pentacles, they really want to offer stability to this connection. They want reconciliation. And for some, the same cycles are going to be repeating between you and your person. And this could be long distance relationship also. And Queen of Wands. Your person is also very, I think, they're very financially stable person. And they are also very strong personality, what I'm getting here. Queen of Wands energy, they stand by their power. But they're coming back for you. Yeah. The Chariot with Temperance. They're patiently waiting for you until you give second chance to them. I think you also have strong emotions for your person. Yeah, if you let them in, there will be reconciliation. Cancer. Yeah, this is the, so let's see messages from Moon Oracle deck. Again, prosperity lies ahead. Definitely there will be, yeah, you will get success, and you are getting hard work. You are getting fruits to your hard work. I already told you, definitely prosperity lies ahead, especially new moon in Taurus when. So definitely you are getting prosperity, lot of abundance, lot of financial stability. Yeah. In relationship also, if you want reconciliation, and it is coming. So this is the reading for you, Cancer. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye bye.